Hello beautiful people, welcome to Juliet Kitchen. Yasmin here. Today you're actually in for an amazing treat. I am sharing with you this recipe for my secret banana streusel bread, or you could call it a banana streusel cake. Yes, I know there's many banana bread recipes out there, but why do you want to stick around long enough to watch this tutorial? I have in here buttermilk. It gives it a nice tangy flavor. I also have coconut. That's right, coconut. Big difference with my recipe. I'm using cake flour. It's good. It's really good. Okay, while you stick around to watch how I put together this recipe, don't forget, hit the subscribe button on the left. My left, your right. Okay guys, to get started, I have all of my ingredients ready. I'm using this large bowl. I already have 3 bananas in here, and you really want very ripe bananas. Look at this thing. It looks crazy, almost like you don't want to eat it. So I'm just going to take the skin off. You want to just mash them with this potato masher. You could also use a fork, which I do sometimes. Okay, to the mashed bananas, I'm adding butter. This is melted butter. I'm using buttermilk, eggs, and brown sugar. This is light brown sugar or golden brown sugar. And then all I need to do is mix this together. Okay, our banana mixture is all ready. Now for the dry ingredients. Okay, so in here I have my cake flour, wheat flour, and all of my spices. And to this I'm adding 1 cup of sweetened coconut. If you want to mix the coconut in with the dry ingredients, this will prevent it from, floating down to the bottom or sinking to the bottom of the pan. I'm using some cardamom in here, nutmeg, orange zest. I'm using a fresh orange zested. Okay, so to this I'm going to add the flour mixture in my dry ingredients. I'm going to mix that in. You want to be careful not to overmix this recipe. Okay, so you want to set aside the banana bread mixture, and the last thing I'm going to do now is prepare my streusel. So in here I have butter. The butter has been softened, as you can see. I'm adding flour to this, and I just want to incorporate that. Okay, and then I want to add brown sugar and cinnamon. I use a Vietnamese a Vietnamese cinnamon. I love the flavor of it. So I'm using walnut in this recipe that I've toasted. 4 to 5 minutes on medium-low heat on the stovetop, and it comes out perfect. I'm going to use my hands to actually mix this together. Okay, so I have my loaf pan buttered and floured. So what I'm really going to do now is add half of the mixture. Okay, so now I'm going to add half of this mixture.
Pour in the remaining batter and use your spatula to spread it out evenly.
And then last but not least, I'm going to just sprinkle the streusel. And I have my oven being preheated 350 degrees, and I'm using the convection setting. So if you have that, use it. And this is just going to go into the oven, and the oven will do the rest.
55 minutes usually does the trick until a toothpick comes out clean. Cool on a wire rack for 10 minutes and then remove and cool completely. Amazing texture.
This cake is very moist, absolutely delicious, hints of coconut. How could you not want to try this recipe? Until next time, happy cooking!